Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make drinks easy. First, let's get organized. Begin by choosing a simple recipe, perhaps a classic like a mojito or a refreshing lemonade. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready, from fresh fruit to your chosen spirits or mixers. Chilling your liquids beforehand for at least 30 minutes makes a huge difference in taste. Also, lay out your equipment, like a measuring jigger and your favorite glasses, for a smooth process. Now, let's talk about mixing. Precision is key for a balanced drink, so use a jigger to measure your liquids accurately. For instance, a standard jigger often has 1.5 ounces on one side and 3/4 of an ounce on the other. Combine your ingredients in a shaker with ice or a mixing glass if stirring. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds or stir until well chilled, ensuring all flavors meld perfectly. When it comes to daily usability, the Camry shines with its spacious cabin, comfortably seating 5 adults and offering a generous 15 cubic feet of trunk space for luggage or groceries. Its hybrid variants can achieve an excellent 53 miles per gallon in city driving. The GR86, a 2+2 coupe, has very limited rear seating and a smaller trunk, providing about 6 cubic feet of cargo room. Fuel economy for the GR86 is around 20 miles per gallon in the city, reflecting its performance-oriented design. Finally, it's time to enjoy your creation. Serve your drink right away to savor its intended temperature and flavor profile. Remember, these steps are a guide, not strict rules. Feel free to adjust sweetness or tartness to your liking. Experiment with different juices, syrups, or even a dash of bitters. With a little practice, you'll be crafting delicious, easy drinks that impress everyone, including yourself, in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.